The rupee is actually set for the first annual gain in a very long time. This is a calendar year annual that we're looking at. So you are now on track to close higher compared to what you did last year, and the chart will tell you that. So if you look at it, since 2010, which is the last time that you saw an appreciation on a calendar year basis, you have continued to depreciate. There have been years when, of course, like 2013, where you had significant depreciation. Then there have been years like last year where you had just a marginal depreciation. But you will see a continued depreciation all the way since 2010, which was the year that you last saw an annual appreciation. This year, unless, of course, something dramatically changes in the last month, which it always can, you'll see the rupee close stronger than what you did at the end of 2016. The factors are well known here. Flows have been strong. You've done 2 lakh crore equity plus debt so far. You're just a little short compared to 2014, which was the big year in terms of flow. That year you did 2.5 lakh crore. Other factors have come together as well. Oil, while it has been moving higher, has not been at significantly high levels. The current account deficit, while it's been moving higher, has been balanced out by capital flows. So all of that has sort of played into this. Plus, of course, the global dollar remains all important and has a bearing on how the currency trades. We're not going to say that this is good or this is bad. We know better. This could be seen either way, depending on whether you're an importer or an exporter. The exporters would continue to say that given that there is an inflation differential that persists between developed economies and India, you should have a depreciating currency, and that is absolutely true in theory, but it doesn't have to work on a year-on-year basis. It can work over a period of time, and on a real effective exchange rate basis. That chart is not up on your screen, but we had hit a peak during the course of the year. Since then, we have actually come off a little bit. But just making a quick point there, that the currency is probably set to close on an appreciating bias for the year.
Yeah, like you said, no good. I mean, there are lots of arguments on the good or bad here, but I mean, definitely not a happy note for exports, which is something that we've been focusing on.
Although a lot of people have argued that the rupee is not the export
problem. Reason for why our exports have been, sort of reducing in competitiveness.